I'm John Bellato from GNS Transport. We run a road train fleet in the centre of Australia here. Been doing it for 25 years. No one doubted the horsepower with the reduction you can get in low range. The traction to the ground was the one thing that everybody doubted it would be able to do.
Ease on with the pedal, and we'll see what we can do.
That is amazing, isn't it? That's a huge road train in the outback like this.
Yeah, I'm very impressed considering we don't test for this kind of stuff back at home.